Okay, guys, what's the best funnel system that's online right now in 2024? And in a month or so, it's going to be 2025. All I can do is just speak from experience. I've been using this funnel system for about a year, and it's made my income jump by 5 to 10 times the the income that I was making before I started using the funnel. Okay, so all I can do is just story tell, just my 2 cents on what I think about this funnel system, show you a little bit about what it does, and just tell you it's really nice that when people go to one click, one link, which is pleasewatchvideo.com, and it forwards to my funnel system. And there's 4 incomes that all complement each other. The funnel system itself, I can make a little bit of money on. I'm with 2 amazing companies. One is Live Good, and one is Legacy. I'm talking like I'm from England, mate. Legacy Builders Program and Live Good. Those are 2 of my own incomes, my own businesses that I put in the funnel, because there's 4 incomes and you need 2 of your own. So the funnel system sells itself. Live Good and Legacy Builders Program is just amazing. Thousands a day, by the way. And the 4th is Traffic Authority, who owns this funnel system. And I make commissions from them because I get a commission if people buy traffic or educational courses. The other day I made $600 from Traffic Authority. All right, the funnel system, hundreds and hundreds of dollars a day, if not a week. And Legacy Builders Program, the other day I made $3,000 in one day. Yesterday I made over 1,000. And today, as I sit here producing this fine video, I made another 600. Guys, that's just on a couple incomes, all within this funnel system. One click, pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you a business card that I made just to show how easy this can be. And you can make this complicated, but please don't. Go get a business card at like Vistaprint. They're $30 for a big old box that'll last you a year. I designed this on Vistaprint. I like red and I like white because it jumps off. If I put this business card just on a table, you can see pleasewatchvideo.com like from 4 or 5 feet away. And that's all I want you to do. Okay. And if you're talking about this opportunity on a street level, I still want you to just give the business card to people and let them go and check this out. Because when you go to pleasewatchvideo.com, you go to this. It's just a simple capture page. And if you want, you can put your name and email address in to join this system, or you can just watch this very entertaining YouTube video. Okay? And if you want, just go ahead and click right here. Okay? And then bam, you can put in your name and email address and just watch the video. And you will get 1 email per day from this company. And if you don't, for 45 days, by the way. Okay, so if you need a month and a half to either opt out or get more information, isn't it nice to know that this company takes over and will get hold of a customer for you? Or you, since you're looking at this video, why not go ahead and subscribe to that email list? Put your name and real email address in and see the emails that are sent to you. Because if you join, I want people to do exactly what I'm doing. I want everyone to do what I'm doing because I'm successful. I'm number 1 in the company again. I've been number 1 in the company 6 out of 7 months, guys. And it doesn't happen by accident. Okay? If you see here, look, I'm number 1 again. And Rodell's doing good. Jeffrey Stewart, Luann, all these great people. Guys, there's 100,000 people in this funnel system. I've been number 1 in their contest. I've won thousands of cash and microwaves and suitcases and a big old laptop here that's off to the side of my screen. Okay? I love this funnel system because 4 incomes, 1 click is better than 1 income, one click. Okay? So what is the funnel system? I want you to watch the video. I'm treating this video like you and I we just met at, I don't know, we're at the park, we're walking our dogs. Maybe we're waiting in a lobby to get our tires changed. Okay? Or maybe we're friends just at a party. Hey, Corey, I saw you talking about something on Facebook. What's that thing going on? Funnel what? Well, guys, go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Watch the video because people will appreciate it. They'll go home, lay in bed in the dark and watch the little video here. They'll sit on their couch and watch. They'll get home to their home computer or laptop and they'll just sit and watch it. Or maybe they'll get in their car and watch a video behind a steering wheel. People like to look at this stuff by themselves. They can then decide yay or nay. And if it's no, you don't have to come up and say a dog ate it or, oh, my wife won't let me join, or I don't need excuses. You don't need to give them. If you don't want to do it, no big deal. And if you want to do it, watch the video. Then get a hold of me. All right, I've had the same cell phone, the same email address. I'm on Facebook like crazy on the inbox. But get excited. This is the best funnel in 2024. I have no doubt in 2025. It absolutely works. So if you have two businesses online you're trying to do, great. We're going to go ahead and make this funnel kick some butt for your two businesses. Now, if you don't have any businesses, you have no idea, just the funnel system itself is awesome. But I hope you look into Live Good and Legacy Builders program. With Live Good, you want to just see it real quick? I'll just do a little plug at the end of the video here. CoreyJoin.com. Can you see it? JoinCorey.com. I bought it at GoDaddy, $11. Here's my business cards. Rounded the corners. Little white on the back. That way I can write notes or something if I need to. But like I said, everything I do is just point and click, watch. And if you want to do something, great. If not, hey, nice to meet you. This is so easy. Please look into this. Look into Live Good. JoinCorey.com. Go to pleasewatchvideo.com. I want this video to make a difference. Okay? And I think it can in your life if you just look and watch these short videos. JoinCorey.com. That video is 6 minutes. If you go to pleasewatchvideo.com, it's about 20 minutes. And you can fast forward, rewind, or freeze it, or not even watch it, but it's entertaining as hell. You're going to like it. Okay? So get a hold of me. Like I said, I'm not shy. I will definitely help you, especially since you gave me 7.5 minutes of your time and about 8 minutes by the time I wrap this up with a bow. Okay? So anyway, relax. You're in the right direction. We're going to get you a nice business, a couple of them, and we're going to get you in a funnel system that works. Okay? And it's all affordable. Don't worry. This isn't expensive stuff, guys. Okay. Thank you. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. And I'll talk to you next video, guys. Okay. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Check it out. Okay. Bye.